Hello and welcome to LOGIC ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss an option that allows narration entries to be accepted only in uppercase while making account entries. By default, narration can be entered in both uppercase and lowercase, as shown. However, if you want to prevent users from entering narration in lowercase, you can enable a specific setting in the LOGIC Admin panel. To do this, open LOGIC Admin and navigate to Global Settings. Under the Account Vouchers Settings section, check the option labeled Accept Narration in Uppercase in all account documents. After selecting this option, make sure to save the settings and restart the software for the changes to take effect. Now, let's review how this works. While making a cache entry, you'll notice that the narration is automatically entered in uppercase, regardless of whether the caps lock key is on or off.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.